Hello everyone, as you can see, we have Han Solo in Carbonite. This is a Star Wars The Black Series 40th anniversary of Empire Strikes Back. It is in the blister pack, old school throwback. So today what we're going to do is go ahead and unbox, and then take a look closer at the actual figure, and take some pictures, and then talk a little bit about it, and then bid you adieu. So let's go ahead and unbox Han Solo in Carbonite. So let's go ahead and take it out of the blister. And I ordered this through Hasbro Pulse, and I was happy to receive it when I did. Seemed to get it pretty fast, so I can't complain about the shipping. Pretty much like it always is from Hasbro. So we'll go ahead and put this guy right over here. And I'm not planning on keeping the card, so it's okay. Whatever happens to it, happens to it. So whatever. So in there we did get not the instructions, but the warning. So don't need that. And then it looks like we've got a stand as well, so that's cool. Clean up there a little bit. So let's go ahead and clean up just a little bit, and we'll go ahead and take a closer look at Han. All right, so we've cleaned up a little bit. We got a better look at the actual figure. The detail on here is actually really cool. Pretty impressed by it. Downside, this thing is super light. It feels like a hunk of plastic, as it is. Although this was less expensive than the typical Black Series figure, so I can't complain too much about that, I suppose. But we also have the detail in on the panels, and also over on the other side as well. So it all looks pretty cool. And you will notice that we have two pegs there. And let's take a quick look at this. We've got a stand. So let's see if we can put this thing together. Looks like that. And then looks like that goes in there. Kind of like that. Awesome. I bet it goes like that. So, and then looks like that goes right in there like that. There we go. One and two. So we're able to stand up Han. Pretty cool. And then obviously we can do it floating as well. Yeah, so I think I'll probably be displaying it a lot like that. I think it looks pretty cool. Yeah, actually, this is pretty cool. I missed out on the Comic-Con exclusive a few years back, so I'm really happy that they re-released this to the public. So yeah. It's gonna be a really short video. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and take a couple pictures so you guys can get a closer look at Han, and then we'll just finish up here in just a little bit. All right, so I hope you enjoyed those pictures. I hope you got a closer look at what Han looks like. I'll go ahead and leave a link so you guys can take a look at him as well. So yeah, that's Han. I don't know what I was expecting. I guess I was expecting a little bit more, but at the same time, I shouldn't have. So he looks exactly like he's supposed to. It's going to look great on the shelf. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. If you have any comments, anything you want to share with the community, go ahead and leave that down below as well. We're starting to see a lot more comments on the channel, so I think that's awesome. And Yeah, so speaking of the channel, if you are interested in Star Wars Black Series figures, we do a lot of stuff about Star Wars, but we don't just focus purely on Star Wars. We do things that a professional geek might find interesting. So I am a professional geek myself, and I find Star Wars interesting, so we've spent a lot of time talking about it on the channel. But we also do a lot of other things as well, like home automation, the home improvement stuff, and also going to theme parks and related stuff like that. So if you are interested in that sort of thing, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.